tendency. If I get affected, I'll stop. I will stop the cavalry and walk. I wish I was at home for Christmas.
Shemai, yes, it is that time of year again. It's Christmas or Nadolig. 2024 has been a bit of a mad year. I won't go through it all again. Very long story short, suffering from stress and anxiety, quit my job, took a redundancy payment, very scary, but I think I've come through the other end. So yeah, it has ended up being a really good year. I started doing online lessons. That was brilliant. I didn't know if I could do it, but they are happening now. The Ukumaniacs have had an awesome year. We've had festivals and gigs. We've really got our act together now. And yeah, just having such a brilliant time. But I've got to say a massive thank you to the girls, because as I said, it hasn't been an easy year and they have been there for me all the way through. There have been festivals galore. Cheltenham, Ukulele Festival of Great Britain. Pembroke was a first down in West Wales where the Ukumaniacs played. Shrewkfest. I love Shrewkfest. And again, Ukumaniacs, we were originally meant to be playing on the smaller stage, but got upgraded to the main stage. Starting the ukulele projects in the primary schools, working with the local music service. And right at the end of the year, Webb's World, our vlogging channel, something I decided to do with quitting my job and starting a completely new chapter of my life. I thought it'd be a nice way just to sort of see how that goes. And Richard has got involved, my husband. And yeah, we're having loads of fun doing that as well. So yeah, 2024 really has been a mad year. So we're at Christmas now. Now, as a music teacher, Christmas is always absolutely bonkers. But this year, I've been in control a lot more. And there have been some brilliant Christmas things I've done. Kool Ukes. We had a Christmas buffet. That was really nice, seeing the other members of the Kool Ukes, because there's two groups. Here's a little bit of that. We had a proper Christmas do this year. Sean Keddy in the Wales Ukulele Project invited Opera-Lele down, and we all went down to the Aberavon Beach Hotel and had a fantastic day down there. So at about mid-afternoon down in Aberavon, we've done a brilliant workshop singing harmonies and stuff with Opera-Lele. Jude, being Jude, put us right in the front row, so we had no choice, but it was really, really good. But Vicky and Emma are wearing something rather spectacularly special. What's it say, Vic?
It says Rachel Webley's Roadies.
Who made them, Em?
Guilty.
I've got my own version, hang on. Right, Anarchy and the ukulele have suddenly started referring to me as Dame Rachel Webley. So yes, I am now a dame. I'm no lady, mind.
To go, let it slow.
Last week, again, I was with the Kool Ukes and we went and played in one of the local supermarkets, raising money for charity, something I would never have been able to do if I was still teaching in the classroom. So that was really, really nice.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. A Santa baby just lit the sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. That's right. He's making a list and checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. A Santa Claus is coming to town.
And the Ukumaniacs. As I said, honestly, I love being a Ukumaniac, and the girls are just absolutely they're superb fun. So yeah, this is what we got up to when we had a little Christmas gathering, exchanged some presents and played a little bit of Christmas music.
So yeah, head first under there. Can I go in ass first? No. Reverse it. You can't, because there's no room. Go on. I need to go down there.
There's no health and safety going on here. Ho, ho, ho.
10 seconds.
6, 5.
Eventually.
I can't just have no more. Oh, well, there's a washing machine set in. Stay there, stay still.
We're not getting carried away or anything now.
Yeah, carried away. Honestly.
Oh, sling it.
Now, is this going to be tidy? No.
Right, first of all, let's explain. These are our Christmas presents.
Yes.
Yes. From Head Elf, from Emma over there to the rest of us.
We've wanted to give them to us since
No,
November.
hang on, they're really, really light actually.
Don't shake them. Oh, absolutely incredible. And to complete this, obviously I've made one. Well, yes, obviously. Oh my god, that's brilliant. Oh, I love it.
So there I am too.
Oh, hello, Astrid.
Seriously now, we've made it. We have had toys made from us.
I'll run for the presidency. If I get elected, I'll stop. I will stop the cavalry. I wish I was at home for Christmas. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear the voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Yeah, you just never know what we're going to end up doing with the Ukumaniacs. It's that time of the year for the Ukes. Anarchy and the Ukulele run awards. So the nominations were out. I did get nominated in 3 categories. Best YouTube channel, best YouTube video, and Ukulele Personality of the Year. The votes have closed. We've just got to wait and see now. And it'll be a brilliant evening. The girls, the Ukumaniacs, are coming up for the evening to watch the show live. So yeah, we're rolling into 2025 and I am really, really excited because I genuinely have no idea what's going to happen yet. So much has happened in the last year. First of all, on Ukulele Wales, I really want to get back and do some more live streaming. I've had some technical issues, shall we say, with everything. And now I'm up and running with the online lessons, with the teaching. I think I've got everything sussed again. So yeah, that is definitely on the list. More live streams here. It's the Kool Hand Ukes 10th anniversary, along with quite a few other 10th anniversaries in the ukulele world. So yeah, we are planning a little bit of an event for that. That'll be earlier on in the year in March. I went to my first Bracklesham event in Eastbourne earlier on in the autumn with Jude, and it was just absolutely brilliant. Run by George and Mandy of Opera-Lele. And they have invited me onto the Bracklesham team as a sort of videographer and things like that. So yeah, I am definitely going to be going to the Isle of Wight for Bracklesham and going to Eastbourne later on in the year as well. So thank you guys. I can't wait for those brilliant weekends. Other things that are already in the diary, the Ukumaniacs are playing again in the Pembroke Festival in June. Don't worry, I'll give you all of these dates much closer to it. So yeah, Ukumaniacs are playing, and I've been invited to do a bass workshop. So I'm really, really looking forward to that one in Pembroke. The Ukumaniacs are also playing in Shrewkfest again in August, and I am really, really looking forward to that one. The lineup on that looks absolutely superb, and we are main stage for that as well. So yeah, bring on Shrewkfest. Plus as well, it'll be in the middle of summer, so hopefully it'll be a bit warmer as well. And I have got a few other festivals sort of penciled in that I really, really want to go to this year. For example, Summer Strum up in the Wirral. I couldn't make it last summer just because of work and school and things like that. But that is top of the list to go to. And who knows what else will happen with the Ukumaniacs if we get booked for anything else as well. But yeah, a really, really exciting 2025 to look forward to. So I'm going to leave it there for now. What a year 2024 has been. What will 2025 bring on? So thank you guys for all your support. Every view, every comment, every like, every subscription. Honestly, it really, really puts a smile on my face. Thank you to all my patrons as well. If you would like to support me here on the channel, I'll pop a link in the description below. But I'm going to leave it by saying Nadolig Llawen, Merry Christmas, and Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. A very happy New Year. What will 2025 bring? As always, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.